Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to reset your Porkbun name servers back to default. First, log into your Porkbun account. Once you're in, click on Account at the top right, then select Domain Management. Here, you'll see a list of all your domains. Find the one you want to work with, hover your cursor over it, and click on NS, which stands for Name Servers. Now, you'll have access to your current name server settings. To bring them back to default, simply click on the Use Our Default Name Servers button. After that, click Submit to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your name servers are now reset to Porkbun's default settings. Using the default name servers means your domain will automatically use Porkbun standard DNS, which helps your site stay properly connected and managed through their system. Perfect if you're not using custom hosting or third-party DNS. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.